After downloading the fonts, just go to download folder. Here you'll find all the fonts you downloaded. Open the folder and here is a list of all the fonts. Then go to Launchpad, Others, open Font Book. Then select all the fonts, Command A, and then drag and drop all the fonts in the Font Book folder. Here is the error of font validation. Just select all fonts and then install ticked. Just wait for a few seconds and then you can see all the fonts are installed now. Just wait here. Fonts check. That's it. All the fonts are installed now. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.